Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning, and today I want to talk about a course that I recently took on Udemy called CAPM. This course is perfect for anyone looking to gain a comprehensive understanding of the CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management, framework and how it can be applied to real-world projects. The course objectives are to provide students with a solid understanding of the CAPM framework, including its principles, tools, and techniques. The course also aims to help students prepare for the CAPM certification exam. The course is targeted towards individuals who are looking to gain a formal understanding of project management and the CAPM framework. This could include students, recent graduates, or professionals looking to transition into a project management role. The course could also be useful for existing project managers who want to enhance their skills and learn more about the CAPM framework. The course content is divided into several modules, each covering a different aspect of the CAPM framework. The modules include 1. Introduction to Project Management. This module provides an overview of the project management profession and the role of the CAPM framework. 2. The CAPM framework. This module delves into the 5 process groups and 10 knowledge areas of the CAPM framework, including the tools and techniques used in each. 3. Project Integration Management. This module focuses on the processes involved in coordinating and integrating the various project management activities. 4. Project Scope Management. This module covers the processes involved in defining and managing the scope of a project, including how to effectively manage changes and mitigate risks. 5. Project Schedule Management. This module focuses on the processes involved in creating and managing a project schedule, including the use of tools such as Gantt charts and network diagrams. 6. Project Cost Management. This module covers the processes involved in estimating, budgeting, and controlling project costs. 7. Project Quality Management. This module focuses on the processes involved in ensuring the quality of a project's deliverables, including how to set quality standards and implement quality control measures. 8. Project Resource Management. This module covers the processes involved in identifying, assigning, and managing project resources, including human resources, physical resources, and financial resources. 9. Project Communications Management. This module focuses on the processes involved in effectively communicating with project stakeholders, including how to create a communication plan and manage stakeholder expectations. 10. Project Risk Management. This module covers the processes involved in identifying, analyzing, and responding to project risks, including how to develop a risk management plan and implement risk response strategies. 11. Project Stakeholder Management. This module focuses on the processes involved in identifying, analyzing, and managing project stakeholders, including how to engage stakeholders and maintain relationships. 12. Conclusion and Preparation for CAPM Exam. This final module provides a summary of the key concepts covered in the course and offers guidance on how to prepare for the CAPM certification exam. I really enjoyed this course and found it to be a great introduction to the CAPM framework. The instructor was knowledgeable and provided clear explanations of the concepts, and the course content was well organized and easy to follow. The modules were packed with useful information,